Presenting this exquisite 2-story home that boasts an inviting open floor plan, 3 generously sized bedrooms, and 2.5 baths. The well-designed layout of this property, combined with its competitive price point, makes it an exceptional find, conveniently located a mere 3 miles away from I-565. The kitchen is adorned with large glass doors that provide a splendid view of the fenced-in backyard, adding to the home's overall allure. Situated just minutes from the new Toyota plant, Polaris, and the upcoming Amazon plant, this home offers unparalleled convenience.